Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Hermitage, a beloved neighborhood in northeast Edmonton, Alberta. This area is perhaps best known for the sprawling Hermitage Park, a lush green space that features a picturesque lake, winding walking trails, and plenty of spots for picnics or quiet relaxation. The park has been a cornerstone of the community since its development in the mid-20th century, offering residents a connection to nature within the city. Historically, the Hermitage area grew alongside Edmonton's expansion, with residential development taking shape around the natural beauty of the park and the nearby North Saskatchewan River Valley. Its location provides a balance of peaceful, tree-lined streets and convenient access to downtown, shopping centers, and schools. Whether you're strolling through the park's pathways or enjoying the neighborhood's amenities, Hermitage captures the warmth and charm of Edmonton's diverse communities. Edmonton is a vibrant and dynamic city that serves as the capital of the province and a major cultural and economic hub in Western Canada. Known as the Gateway to the North, Edmonton is strategically located on the North Saskatchewan River and is renowned for its rich history, diverse communities, and stunning river valley, which is the largest urban parkland in North America. Edmonton is also a leader in innovation and education, home to the University of Alberta and a thriving tech sector. With its blend of urban sophistication and natural beauty, Edmonton provides a high quality of life for its residents and a welcoming atmosphere for visitors, making it a truly unique and exciting place to explore.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching!